Trump thinks he's going to fly a handful of B-2 bombers over Fordo and drop, the GBU-57 massive ordnance penetrator and solve this problem. It won't. And then what's going to happen? And I'm telling you right now, because I know this to be the case. We have a nuclear strike plan against Iran. And we're heading on this path now because of our collective impotence when it comes to Iran, that we will have no choice but to use nuclear weapons to defeat Iran. That's why I keep telling people, be very careful, because this is a madman, literal madman. And he ordered a plan in his first term that still exists today. And that's a plan to have a war-winning strategy against Iran using nuclear weapons. We can't beat Iran conventionally. This B-2 fantasy about going over and dropping, it's not going to do it. And the Pentagon's saying, if you engage in this, Mr. President, you're not going to achieve what you want to achieve. The Iranians are therefore going to hit all of our military bases.
I actually think that the dropping a nuclear bomb on Iran could be an actual possibility here.
We're over 50% on that possibility. It's a probability.